Want to download or install pre-registered apps like League of Legends Wild Rift from the Google Play Store? Here is how to install or download League of Legends Wild Rift pre-registered games for any Xiaomi, Huawei, Samsung, or other. If you look at the League of Legends Wild Rift application only shows pre-register. Now to install this app to your Android device, follow 3 solutions. Solution 1, open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage App, find out Google Play Store app. Tap on it. Tap Clear Data, tap Manage Space. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. Solution 2, connect your VPN to your mobile device. Open up your favorite VPN, choose a different server. Once you're connected, open Browser. Type the name of League of Legends Wild Rift. Now scroll down, tap the game. Here, this time it shows you the install icon. Tap Install. After this, your game will be installed on your mobile device. Now if you still have any questions about this topic, please ask me in the comment section.